When you look at a surface like the one I have here, you're actually looking at a trim surface. SolidWorks calculates what the full surface looks like even in areas that aren't displayed, such as the hole or other areas that are cut away. By using the Untrimmed Surface feature, you can reveal these hidden areas. You'll find the Untrimmed Surface feature on the Surfaces toolbar. I'll begin by selecting the edge of the hole. Quickly, I see a preview of the resulting surface. I'll click OK and the hole is gone. Regions that are not completely enclosed can also be untrimmed. This time, I'll select the edge around the oval-shaped cut. You can see the surface is revealed as far as the surrounding surface boundaries. At the very bottom of the Property Manager, you have the option of merging the newly revealed portion of the surface to the original surface, or you can clear the option to make it a separate surface body. In this case, I'll leave the option and click OK. When untrimming external edges, such as this one, you have control over the extent of the new surface. By simply selecting the edge, you can see how much of the surface will be revealed. If I also select the adjacent edge, now a bit less of the surface is revealed. This is because the untrimmed surface is bound by the selected edges. Before clicking OK, watch what happens if I enable the Connect Endpoints option in the Property Manager. Instead of revealing a natural extension of the two edges, only the portion necessary to connect the two endpoints is revealed. So far, we've seen how a surface can be untrimmed by selecting edges. You can also use the Untrimmed Surface feature to untrim an entire face. In this situation, because we're not using edges as boundaries, the distance percentage becomes important. This is how you define how much of the surface to reveal. Also notice there is an option to untrim all edges belonging to a surface, or you can isolate internal or external edges. If you have a need to untrim many holes on a surface, the internal option is a quick way to eliminate all holes at once. I'll set the distance percentage to 50 and click OK.